We have a problem. The way America measures prosperity right now, we tend to focus on one thing, and that is the dollar value of the goods and services we produce. Known as GDP, or Gross Domestic Product, it's the leading measure today of our economy and our prosperity. But some top economists, including 2 Nobel Prize winners, say that has got to change. They say our well-being goes far beyond dollars only. Let me take a trip to the grocery store to show you why. I'll grab my bike and get going. At the store, I pick up some locally grown apples. All that cycling has me thirsty, so I take a sip from the water bottle I filled up at home. Now, how beneficial has this trip of mine been for our economy? Let's take a look. My travel to the grocery store was free because I used my bike. At the store, I spent $2 on those locally grown apples. That water I drank was from my tap at home, and the cost is negligible for this small amount. So, this trip to the store has added a total of $2 to our economy. Now, let's take that trip to the grocery store again, but this time I will take my car and burn some gas. At the store, I pick up some kiwis, imported all the way from New Zealand, and get some bottled water. So how much has this trip to the grocery store helped the economy? Well, I spent, say, $1 on gas. My kiwis cost $2, and so did the drink I bought at the store. So this trip to the store has added a total of $5 to the economy. The way we measure things now, my car trip to the grocery store is much better for the economy than my frugal bike trip. But that ignores additional costs we seldom think about. When I took my fossil fuel burning car to the store, I added pollutants to the atmosphere. Those kiwis shipped all the way from New Zealand, shipping means more pollutants. And what happened to the drink I bought at the drive-thru? More garbage from the bottle, more pollution from its transportation. And we haven't even considered the sinister side of GDP. GDP would love to see my car spin out of control and hit a tree. That would require an ambulance, a hospital visit, and car repairs, all of which mean more money in GDP's pocket. By comparison, my bike trip to the store was a good, healthy workout, and since I didn't have to cruise around looking for parking when I got home, it left me with some extra time with my cat, Otis. So now when we compare the 2 trips to the grocery store and we look beyond just the dollar signs, a different picture emerges. This isn't to say the value of goods and services should be totally ignored. They're crucial. But a better measure of how well we're doing might also consider things such as whether an activity harmed or benefited the environment and how it affected the quality of our health and our communities. So to fix the future, we may have to fix what we measure, our indicators, so we can see if our economy is leading us where we want to go.